Take a ride in the 2024 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, heated front seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.